Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the system. Now we have to tap on About Phone. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap on software information. I know that it may be kind of strange, but no worries. It is because we first of all have to unlock the mode, unlock the section in which we can find the proper option. So let's take a look at the build number, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then let's simply enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see right now we are in the developer, so that's great. We have to go back to the system settings. And after scrolling down, you can see that we've got the developer options. If you'd like to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial of how to enable them, how to use them, and what kind of options you can find there. So let's tap on the developer option and now scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. So basically all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and right now this option is active, which simply means that from now on your device will be allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to remember about manually updating your device, just remember about restarting it from time to time. So actually that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Asus Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.